Good morning, students. During these times, it is better to go for online classes, which will help us in understanding the topic in a more clear manner. These topics are relevant for our next session. Today, we are going to have a class on data communication and computer network for third year BC students. The topic is Introduction to Computer Network. Basically, when we communicate, we are sharing information. This sharing can be local or remote. Between individuals, local communications usually occurs face to face, that is physically, while remote communication takes place over distances. It means the persons or the terminals or the computers are away from one entity to another. Data communication is the process of exchanging data between two or more devices via some form of transmission media such as cables, wires, or links. For data communication to occur, the communicating devices must be a part of communication system which can be made of hardware and software. So generally, communication means the exchange of information between two entities, and data communication means exchange of information between two or more computers or hardwares. So take an example or take a diagram. In this manner, we can communicate the information from one machine to another machine. So in this particular figure, there are two machines there. One is source location, another is a destination location or some other location. To communicate between these two machines, it must require a transmission medium through which we can communicate our data from one location to another location. So, in this case, computer network is nothing. It is defined as the interconnection of two or more computers. It is done to enable the computers to communicate and sharing of resources. The sharing of resources such as printers, expensive softwares, and databases, etc. As you know that a computer network is a group of computers that are connected with each other using some media for sharing of data and resources. It may connect other devices like printers, scanners, etc. Information towards or travels over the cables or other media, allowing network user to exchange documents and data with each other, print the data, and generally share any hardware or software that connect to the network. In a simplest form, data transfer can take place between two devices which are directly connected by some form of communication media or medium. So in this manner, we can communicate from one system to another system. It is a diagram of simple computer networking communication which may contain source computer, that is node, destination computer, that is another node or terminal, and both the computers are interconnected through a medium. Either it may be Ethernet or switch or hub. The network also contains certain hardware devices like printers, like gaming consoles, scanners, etc. Generally, computer networks are used for sharing of information from one location to another location. In a simplest form, data transfer can take place between two devices which are directly connected by some form of communication medium. But it is not practical for two devices to be directly point-to-point connected. This is due to the following reasons. Number one, the devices are situated at remote locations. Number two, there are a set of devices which of whom may require to connect to others at various times. Situation to this problem, to connect each device to a communication network, computer networks are required. Computer network means interconnected set of autonomous systems that permit distributing or distributed processing of information. Thank you.